Take control of your rental property finances and maximize every tax deduction with ease using this Rental Tax Deductions Tracker. This Rental Tax Deductions Tracker for Google Sheets and Excel help you track multi-unit income, expenses, depreciating items, and capital works, all in one organized system. In this video, I'll walk you through the Google Sheets version and show you how the template works. Start by opening the Settings tab and entering your details, including your name and tax file number. Next, choose how you would like to label rental losses from the drop-down menu. Then, set the start year of your 5-year tracking period, select your starting month, and select your currency. After that, add your property details, including the property name, address, and your ownership percentage. You can add up to 20 rental properties in total. You also have the option to customize your income and expense categories to match your specific tax requirements. Please only edit the yellow fields, as the gray rows are locked. These support formulas and automations that power the rest of the template. Once completed, your settings will automatically flow through the entire template, helping you keep your records organized and consistent. Next, record your rental income in the Income tab. To add a record, simply enter the date, then choose a property and income category from the drop-down. Add a brief description or notes, then input the amount. It has a built-in search tool which makes it easy to quickly locate records by year, property, or income category without having to scroll through the full list, especially when managing large amounts of transactions over multiple years. The tracker automatically calculates totals based on your selections and highlights matching entries for easy reference. Use the Expenses tab to record expenses, deductions, depreciating items, and capital works such as renovations or structural improvements throughout the year. To add a new record, start by entering the date. Then select the relevant property and expense category from the drop-down menus. Next, tick the checkbox if you have a receipt, invoice, or other supporting documentation. After that, enter the payee or store name, add a brief description or notes, and input the expense amount. Search tools are also included for quick record lookup. Once your records are entered, everything automatically flows into the interactive dashboard. Instantly view key figures including total income, deductible expenses, capital works, and depreciating items, all in one central view. The dashboard updates automatically based on your selected property and year, allowing you to easily switch between properties and review data by calendar year, fiscal, or financial year, depending on your setup. As you continue entering records into the trackers, charts, summaries, and totals update automatically in real time. When you're ready, generate reports instantly with just one click. In the Google Sheets version, the template automatically opens a report preview and saves the generated report directly to your Google Drive for easy access and storage. The Excel version can also generate and save reports directly to your Downloads folder, making it quick and convenient to review, print, or share your records. That's it, you're all set. You're now ready to track your rental property finances more efficiently and take the stress out of tax time with automated reporting. If you haven't purchased the template yet, you can get it using the link in the description below. Your purchase includes both Google Sheets and Excel versions of the template, along with a detailed PDF user guide to help you set everything up, customize the tracker, and get the most out of all its features. This demo showcases the Google Sheets version, which is recommended for the best overall experience. Please note, this is a one-time purchase, and you will receive the version available at the time of purchase. Future updates or upgrades are not included. Thanks for watching and enjoy using the Rental Property Tax Deductions Tracker.